In the last video, we discussed about who am I and what is my true purpose in life. And today, I'll help you understand your purpose in a very simple way. So for this, I have created this video in 10 simple steps that will help you to discover your purpose of life. Let's begin the video today. The first and foremost important thing is that your purpose is already inside you. It is not something that you will find outside. हमारा लाइफ का जो पर्पस होता है वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे अंदर ही छिपा होता है, लेकिन बस हम उसको पहचान नहीं पाते. दैट मीन्स हाउ यू कैन एनालाइज एंड एक्टिवेट योर इनर पर्पस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अपने प्रमोशन से खुश नहीं हैं, लेकिन अगर आप कोई भी ऐसा काम करते हो जिससे आपको बहुत खुशी मिलती है, तो दैट इज योर पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. It can be helping anyone. It can be something related to your work, something related to your kids, family, society. So this way you can analyze what is your purpose of life. Second, notice what makes you feel alive in your life. That means what gives you joy and peace in your life. Maybe you feel happy when helping others. Maybe you feel happy when you are teaching someone. Maybe you feel happy when you are creating something, or maybe you feel happy when you are talking and expressing your views with the people. So this way, we can notice what is making us feel lively and alive in our lives. Third is notice what hurts your heart the most. हमें कब ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे दिल में इस बात को लेकर बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. Sometimes your purpose is hidden in what bothers you a lot. For example, for this I'll share my story. अगर कहीं भी किसी लड़की को सपोर्ट नहीं किया जाता, या उसे मोटिवेट नहीं किया जाता, या उसे जज किया जाता है, तो that time I feel really bad. That I feel like my purpose is to help that woman and to uplift the woman in her life. So similarly, you can analyze what makes you feel alive and how you can see what is your purpose of life. Fourth is look at what comes naturally to. हर एक के अंदर, हमारी बॉडी में, हर इंडिविजुअल के अंदर कोई ना कोई क्वालिटी होती है. So you can analyze and say this to yourself. What is the one thing or what do people come to you for? आपके पास लोग क्यों आते हैं? Maybe people are coming to share their problems with you, or people trust you so much because you always give the right opinion, or maybe you are a helping person, or maybe you are a good listener or a guide. That's why people are coming to you. So this is your strength in your life. So now from today onwards, keep analyzing that why the people are coming to you and what and how they are seeking help from you. Ask yourself, what do I want to become in my life? Purpose is not just about doing, it's about becoming what you want to do in your life. For example, do you want to become confident, peaceful, strong? And this is how your purpose will align with that identity of yours. अगर हम ये देखना चाहते हैं हम अपनी लाइफ में क्या बनना चाहते हैं, तो पहले हम अपने आप से जजमेंट करेंगे कि हमें क्या करना है एंड क्यों करना है, एंड दैट विल बिकम योर आइडेंटिटी इन लाइफ. सिक्स्थ, स्टॉप वेटिंग फॉर अप्रूवल. हमेशा ऐसे होता है कि हमें ये लगता है कि कोई ना कोई आएगा, हम कोई काम करना चाहते हैं, हमें इसके लिए बोले कि यस यू आर राइट, यू शुड गो अहेड, someone should come and motivate you. But let me tell you, 95% of the time people will never motivate you in your life. You have to take your own stand and you have to do it. And once you will achieve something, people will start recognizing you. They will start appreciating you. So no one is going to tell you, yes, go ahead. But you have to take your own call. Suppose if you want to start a page. So today, just ask yourself what you want to do. Do you want to start a new page, a new business, some new creative activity, some hobby? And start with right now, even before you are ready, or even before you are feeling that yes, I can do it. Just give it a try. And Seventh is reduce the noise. Because whenever we are asking too many opinions from too many people, it will always confuse you. हम जब भी सोचते हैं कि हम लोगों से राय लेते हैं, 10 लोगों से पूछते हो क्या मैं करूँ या नहीं करूँ, तो हम आपको पता चलेगा that you will always confuse yourself. You will not get the solution and you will instantly stop doing that activity in your life. So for this, I want you to reduce the family expectations, society pressure, social media from your life to a minimum level whenever you want to have any opinion in your life. But just take out some time with yourself, sit with yourself alone, then you will get the true clarity of your life. Eighth is very easy but very important step is take small steps in your life. Don't wait for everything to be clear. ये मत सोचो जब मेरी पूरी पिक्चर मेरे माइंड में होगी तभी मैं स्टार्ट करूंगी. Even if you have a small idea in your head, just give it a try and do it. जब जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा होता है जब वो चलना सीखता है वो ये नहीं सोचता, आप ये नहीं सोचता कि वो एकदम से दौड़ेगा. The one step, then second step, the third step. Similarly, if you have any thought in your mind, any plan in your mind, just go for it. Suppose if you think that you want to help people, then start today by posting any video or go and help any one person in your life, and you will see instantly you will feel very happy. This is how clarity comes into action in our lives. Ninth is heal your inner blocks. Fear, doubt, and past pain, all these always block our purpose in our life. हमेशा ऐसे होता है कुछ भी हम करना चाहते हैं तो हमें बहुत डर लगता है, घबराहट होती है, हम अपने आप पर डाउट करते हैं, सोसाइटी का प्रेशर होता है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ या नहीं कर सकती, एंड इसकी वजह से हम कुछ करते ही नहीं है. सो इफ यू कीप थिंकिंग दैट आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ and I cannot do it, then let me tell you, you will never move forward in your life. So from today onwards, if you have any inner block that is stopping you from doing anything, just give it a try. Take one step towards your life goals. And last but not the least is trust your journey. Just remember that you are not late, you are not behind. Some people find their purpose at the age of 25. Some people like Narendra Modi ji find their purpose at the age of 40. And some find their purpose even later in their lives. So whatever you are doing, whenever you are doing, is the perfect time for you. So while closing, I just want to say that your purpose is not hiding somewhere very far away. आपका लाइफ का पर्पस कहीं बिल्कुल भी दूर नहीं है. इट इज ओनली देयर इनसाइड यू. यू जस्ट नीड टू स्लो डाउन. यू जस्ट नीड टू लिसन टू योरसेल्फ एंड टेक ओनली वन टाइनी स्टेप इन योर लाइफ. If you believe that this is true and this video has touched your heart, then I want you to comment purpose below. And if you want more guidance on healing, confidence, and finding your direction in life, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow the channel. Your purpose is already within you. This is your time to rise. This is your time to shine. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Swati Goyal, always there to help you and serve you in your life journey. Stay tuned for another video.